Hey guys, it's BK with BRM Adventures. Today we're going to be putting on a bed extender. This is a Yamaha bed extender. I've got it loosely put together so far. But we're going to show you how to take the fender off. This is a 2022 RMAX 4. But we're going to get started. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got one underneath. Right here, 6. And one here, 7. So we're gonna take those screws out and get that fender off. Let's get started. These button head ones up here, guys, are 4mm. And then you've got one underneath the fender here that's actually a 10mm bolt. So let's go, let's get it done. Good deal there. Pop this fender off. Got to get it around the tail light there, but it's pretty simple. Not too bad. A little finagling. Like so. Oh, I did miss one. There is one of those little push button screw plastic thingies. I don't know what they call them. Right here on the back side where by the tailgate here. These little doohickeys here. Gonna take that one out. Should slide right off just like that. Set that aside. And we just got 2 Phillips head screws here. I disconnect the lights because I take the light completely off and set it down, because you'll have to. I'm gonna mark which one goes where here, just so I know. There we go. Handy dandy Phillips. Boom, bada bang. On the bottom side. There you go, set that aside. This bracket here is going to line up with this hole and this hole. Corresponding nuts here and here on the outside. So bear with me, guys. So it's gonna go just like that, and we're gonna screw it in from this side on those holes. Hand tighten it for now, because we got to mark a hole for the for this little thumb screw. And we'll end up drilling that here in a sec. Just want to get this centered up. Alright, so now I'm going to take this thumb screw right here, and we are going to screw it into this nut on the plate right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right here. So that's how I'm going to mark where I need to drill. So I'm just going to screw this in. Get it marked for me. In and out a little bit. Don't want to bend that plate, but I just want to make sure I mark where I need to drill. It's a 3/8 inch hole that you need to drill in there. Get that back out. Take the plate back off. As you see, there's a faint mark right there. So that's where we're going to take and drill the 3/8 inch hole. I'm going to wring it out just a little bit. Do a test fit before I permanently put that plate on. Make sure that thumb screw fits where it needs to go without any drag or anything. So yeah, it looks like we're going to be good there. All right, so we'll take those back out and then we're going to Loctite them. Good. Make sure a thumb screw still goes in freely. And it does. So. And now we're gonna reinstall the fender. All right, guys, we got that just thrown up there. This is all loosely put together. So we're going to take it, flip it upside down because I've got to Loctite these little rubber feet. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Hey, come back here. That real quick. Really, this install is pretty simple. Not much to it. It goes on the bottom of the extender. I got the dropsies. Come on now. Just about done with it. We end up taking all these screws out and Loctiting those once we get this set in here. So this piece right here goes in your pivot pin on the tailgate. So we're gonna flip that up. Set that in there on both sides. Airing anything up. And then this thumb screw locks it in on that hole we had to drill in that plate. So that thumb screw goes right in here. That's what's actually going to hold the extender on. And those don't have to go real tight either. Untighten, or hand tighten, I guess you should say. Back to the other side. Spin you around on this one. And now we're going to take these screws right here. We're going to take those out and we're going to Loctite those. All right, that concludes the install of the Yamaha bed extender on the RMAX 4 2022. So it looks pretty good. Gonna give me some more room. And hey, please subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel, guys. I appreciate it. We want to hit that 1,000 mark pretty quick. So give us a boost. Please like this video. Thanks for watching.